Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Arbitrum testnet to Uniswap-style routing step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Arbitrum website. Locate the documentation section for developers. Find and select the section on testnets. Follow the instructions to set up your wallet for Arbitrum testnet. Download and install a compatible wallet, such as MetaMask. Open MetaMask and create a new account or log in to an existing one. Ensure you are on the Arbitrum testnet. To do this, click on the Network drop-down menu in MetaMask. Select Custom RPC to add the Arbitrum testnet. Input the following details. For the network name, use Arbitrum RinkBuy. For the new RPC URL, enter https://rinkbuy.arbitrum.io/rpc . Set the chain ID to 421,611. For the currency symbol, optionally use ETH. Click Save to finalize your settings. Visit a testnet faucet to acquire some test ETH. Follow the faucet instructions to receive your tokens. Next, go to the Uniswap interface. Ensure you are connected to the Arbitrum testnet within Uniswap. Click on the Connect Wallet option and select MetaMask. Once connected, you can now trade on the Arbitrum testnet using Uniswap. Select the tokens you wish to swap. Configure the amount and review the details of the transaction. Click Swap to initiate the transaction. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the Arbitrum testnet. You can view the transaction status on an Arbitrum block explorer. Once confirmed, you should see the swap tokens in your wallet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.